So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say that Mr. President is already transforming and change agriculture forever in Nigeria. Oh, yes. And that is by simply creating a new concept, a new system where agriculture is considered as a business, where all the value chain of agriculture, the production aspect, the processing aspect, and the marketing aspect were all considered and put in place. And by that system, I am pleased to inform you that we selected different commodities, including rice, that we must stop importation of food in Nigeria. And today, I am pleased to inform you that we have reduced our import bill from 1.1 trillion naira to only 650 billion. And very soon, we will stop importation and save that huge sum of money completely. The system that we have agreed and developed for the purchase of agricultural product and produce from our farmers is a commodity board system driven by the private sector. This is a system that is practiced all over the world. Go to South Africa, go to Zimbabwe, go to Kenya, go to several countries. And the commodity exchange we have in Abuja, we are now privatizing that government so that the private sector will come in. That is the solution. That is the solution Mr. President is putting, and that is the way forward. Nigeria! Nigeria! Jonathan! We must move forward. Our people, our good people of Akwa Ibom State, do you want to go back to the old ways? No. Do you want to go back to the old ways? No. You see, there is always a problem when you have people that are inexperienced, greedy, and attempting to take over government and govern. These people, they not only have the issue of experience as a problem, but also the issue of educational background. Correct. We all know, many people have said it here, their presidential candidate has problem improving and presenting his primary school certificate. Another leader of APC, we all know in this country, has problem of certificate. Sometimes he says he got his certificate in Toronto, and another time it's in Chicago. Where is the certificate from? We also have another governorship candidate in Katsina who has problem of certificate. We have so many problems, certificate everywhere. Do you want to fail? So please, my brothers, I want to always remind us that you have made the right decision by electing our leader, Dr. Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, in 2011 as an experienced person, a scientist, a PhD holder, a deputy governor, a vice president, an acting president, and a president today. There is nobody in Nigeria that has the experience and the knowledge of governance that Mr. President has. But also myself, You all know that I am an architect, a professional, a fellow of the Nigerian Institute of Architects. My first appointment was an architect in Bauchi State in 1976. In 1986, 10 years after, I was appointed commissioner, and I was commissioner for 5 years. After that, for the past, all my life, I have been involved in developmental projects in Nigeria. There is no state of the federation that I do not have one project or the other. I was also the governor of Kaduna State for 3 years. That is enough to get a bachelor's degree. Then, Mr. President, I thank you that in 2010 you appointed me as your vice president. This combination of knowledge and experience is what is changing Nigeria today. Today, Nigeria has the best economy in the African continent. Nigeria has the highest direct foreign investment in Africa. For 4 years, we have been number one. Our GDP has been growing and growing and growing, even with the challenges we had, the global economic problem. And even now, we know that the fuel issue is a problem. But the economics knowledge of our president is holding us. Today, you go to Argentina, people are queuing to buy soap. You go to Russia, so many issues. But Mr. President has been able to stabilize our economy. Thank you very much, Mr. President. So, our good people of Akwa Ibom State, governance is a very serious issue. Governance needs knowledge. Governance needs experience. Please, you know now the right thing. Vote for Mr. President come February 14th, 2015. Vote for our incoming governor. Vote for our senators. Vote for our members of the House of Reps. And vote for our state members of House of Assembly. Who do we know? Who do we know? Who do we know? Who do you know?
Thank you. May I, without wasting further time, invite the game changer, the national chairman of our great party, Dr. Ahmed Adamu Muazu, to step forward and present the flag of victory to our gubernatorial candidate in the state of Akwa Ibom. The governorship candidate, Udo Emmanuel, should place, and his deputy should come with the chairman. We are coming to the grand finale. Our chairman is coming, but we want you to listen to the message. The message is clear. Thank you.
Go and tell them, good luck is coming. Oh yeah, go and tell them, go and tell them, good luck is coming back. Go and tell them, go and tell them, good luck is coming. Go and tell them, go and tell them, good luck is coming back. Go and tell them, good luck is coming back.
Dr. Patrick Ivanuba, our campaign partners, who has promised 45% for Mr. President all over the place. The national chairman is coming with the governorship candidate.